Good morning students, Jyoti here. In the last video we have done till 5, practice set 5.2. Now we'll do practice set 5.3. In practice set 5.3 there are 7 sums. Let's see, we will do the very first sum. 2m minus 5q. Here you can see here the sign is minus and power is 3. So here we will apply the formula a minus b whole cube. So let's solve it. Solution. It is known that a minus b cube is equals to a cube minus b cube minus 3 times of a square b plus 3 times of ab square. See here the formula is exactly the same what I have given previously. Only the terms are arranged here and there. There is no issue if you are writing a cube here or b cube here. Okay. Only sign should be properly mentioned. So let's continue. 2m minus 5q. What is that here? A cube. What is our a here? A is 2m and what is b? B is 5. So a cube means 2m cube and minus, as it is minus, b cube is, what is our b? B is our 5. So b cube is 5 cube minus here as it is 3 a square. What is our a? A is 2m. So it will be multiplied by 2m square. Now next term is b, multiplied by b. So what is b? B is 5. So multiply by 5 plus 3 times. This plus as it is 3 times of a. 3 multiplied by a. A is what? 2m. So 3 multiplied by 2m multiplied by b square. What is b? B is 5. So multiplied by b square, that is 5 square. Now what is the cube of 2? Cube of 2 means 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So it is 8. What is the power? M cube is, as it is m cube, minus, what is the cube of 5? Cube of 5 is 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. That is 5 5s are 25 multiplied by 5 is 125. Here it is 125. This minus sign as it is. First of all we will do this bracket. What is the power of 2? 2. So what is the 2 square? 2 multiplied by 2, that is 4. 4 multiplied by 5 is 20. 20 multiplied by this 3 is 60. And this m power 2 is as it is 60 m square plus, here you can see 3 2s are 6. And now what is the square of 5? 5 5s are 25. So 25 multiplied by 6. This 3 2s are 6. 25 multiplied by 6 is 150. You can multiply and see 150 and this n as it is. So it was the first sum. Now the seventh one, 2p minus 1 upon 2p cube. Here also same formula. Let's continue. 2p minus 1, a cube minus b cube minus 3 times of a square b plus 3 times of a b square. You learn the formula so that you can solve it easily. So a cube, what is our a? 2p. And what is our b? 1 upon 2p. So a cube, that is 2p cube, minus b cube, that is 1 upon 2p cube, minus 3 times of a square. A square is 2p. So it is 2p square multiplied by b. B is 1 upon 2p. Plus 3 times of a. A is our 2p multiplied by b. B is what? 1 upon 2p. That is ab square. So it is square. Now what is the cube of 2? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. And this p cube is as it is minus 1 cube is 1 only. What is the cube of 2? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So it is 8. Now p cube is here as it is p cube. Now can you say 2 power 2, that is 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12 and here it is 2. So can we cancel this 2p with this 2p directly instead of multiplying? What I'll do, I'll just cancel this 2p with this 2p. Okay, I have just cancelled because it is in denominator, it is in numerator, so that we can cancel it. We have cancelled, but here it is 2. Power is 2 means one term gets cancelled but one term is again remaining here. So 2p multiplied by 3 will be 3 2s are 6p. So it is 6p and this minus sign as it is, plus this sign as it is. Now here also we can cancel 1 2p, this 2p, but here the power is 2, so 1 upon 2p is remaining. This 1 multiplied by 3 is 3 upon 2p, 3 upon 2p. This was about 5.2, question number 1. Now question number 2, remainings here. Remaining sums are similar that you have to do in a homework. This 198 you can split as a 200 minus 2. Here also you can split it as a 60 minus 2, or anything you find it logically in that way you can split and solve. Okay, now question number 2, simplify. There are also 4 sums. Let's see. The very first sum is 2a plus b cube minus 2a minus b cube. So as we know the formula, a plus b cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square, and ab cube is a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. These are the formulas. Let's do. Okay, first 2a plus b cube. We will apply the formula here. A is 2a and B is A is 2a and B is exactly B only. So let's continue. A cube plus B cube plus 3 times of A square into B plus 3 times of A into B square. This was only for this term. We have split it. Now we have to split this term also by applying A minus B cube. So this minus sign as it is here. Now we'll split this term here. So it is a cube minus b cube minus 3 times of a square into b plus 3 times of a into b square. What is b here? B. So b square. What will be the answer here? What is the power of 2? 3. So what is the cube of 2? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So it will come 8a cube plus b cube. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. 12ab. It is 12a square. This a is power. This a is having power 2, so it is a square b plus, here it is 3 2s are 6, ab square. This b is square, so it is 6ab square. Here minus sign here as it is. What is the power of 2? 3. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8a cube. This a cube is here. This is, if you are going to see, if you are multiplying this minus sign inside the bracket, this term will be minus and this term will be positive, because minus into minus plus. Again this term will be positive, minus into minus. This term become negative. So it is plus b cube plus 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, a square, 12a square, and this b, a square b minus, it will become minus into plus is minus, so it is minus 3 2s are 6, a and this b square. So it is, can you see the like terms? This and this gets cancelled because it is plus, it is minus, so this two terms gets cancelled. And what is the similar one? 6ab square plus 6ab square, both are having opposite sign. This also gets cancelled. What is remaining? 1b cube, another b cube, so it will become 2b cube and 12 plus 12 24 a square b. See here both the terms are same, even sign are also same. If sign is different, then only we can cancel plus minus. So here the sign is same, so it will be added. Sign different means both the terms add subtraction and it will become 0, means 8 minus 8 will be 0, no? So it gets cancelled. Clear with this? Now we'll start with the practice set 5.4. See here in the practice set 5.4, question number 1, 4 questions are there. I'll do the one and remaining you have to do in a homework. Very first, 2p plus q plus 5 square. So it is known that a plus b plus c square is, here directly we know the three terms are there, so we will apply this formula a plus b plus c square. So it is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 times of ab plus 2 times of bc plus 2 times of c, which we have already done. Let's continue with the problem. This is our a, this is our b, this is our c. So a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 times of a into b. A is 2p, b is q. 2 times of a into b plus 2 times of b into c. B into c plus 2 times of a into c. A into c. So it is, what is the power of 2? 2. So 2 2s are 4. And this p square is p square here. Q square is as it is. 5 square is 25. Now 2 2s are 4. 4pq. Here it is 4pq. Here 2 5s are 10. 10q. Plus here 2 2s are 4. 4 5s are 20. 20p. This is the all about the solution. Now let's see the next one. Question number 2 first. Very first sum is x minus 2y plus 3 square plus x plus 2y minus 3 square. Here we will apply this formula only. You try it at home. If you are unable to solve, then we will do it later. But it is quite easy. Same formula you have to apply in both the brackets. A square plus b square plus c square. Similarly, you will get the answer. If you have any doubt, you can go through the solution. Let's try. Okay. Now, in this way, your chapter finished. That is expansion formula. Solve the remaining problems and try to understand if you are not getting.